गाइस, स्वागत है आपका पारिक सर की क्लास में। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस DBMS SQL DML commands part 3. In part 2 we have discussed update command and delete command like operator. In part 3 we will discuss like order by class and group by class. Now we will discuss both one by one. In order by class, basically this class will be used to sort the data based on the attribute in ascending or descending order. By default, it provides the ascending order for a table. The basic syntax is select column list from table name where conditions order by column 1, column 2, how many columns will be used. After that, two keywords may be used, ASC for ascending, DESC for descending. By default, this attribute perform the ascending order for a data based on attribute. One more thing I am saying is that select command will be used to show the attributes from which tables, where receive the address applied onto the simple values or a single tuples. Order by use to sort the data ascending or descending order. Now we take the example. First of all, let us consider this is the customer table having the 5 attributes, 7 tuples, and 7 tuples have the atomic values based on attributes. You see the carefully, and let's the example first, in which the record of a table should be short based on the attribute name and salary in ascending order. If we don't write ASC in the order by class, by default it will show the ascending order based on name and salary. Here are the two attributes are sorted, name and salary, but when the two attributes are sorted, there are some database use the first attribute and sort by default ascending order. Now let's the command select asterisk from. It means all attributes will be shown along with the values from the customer, order by name and salary. The output will be shown here like. Here you will see the name attribute has been sorted according to the ascending order by default. So the name is in alphabetical order. Let's second example. If user want to show the records of the table based on the name attributes in the descending order, so we will use the DESC keyword in the order by class. Same syntax we will write here. Select asterisk from customers, order by name DESC. It means the name of the customer will be shown in descending order like this thing, and other 4 attributes values will be also changed according to the sorting method. This is the output. Now the group by class. Basically we have seen that any attributes should have a atomic values, but if any attribute having 2 values like as a 1, again 3 values having the same properties, having the same values, so this create another group. So similar same values create a group, and this property will be applied to this thing, and aggregate functions may be performed on a group by class. Aggregate function means sum, total, minimum, average. These are the aggregate functions performed to a group. Here the example is like that. Select column 1 from table name where class group by column 1 and column 2. It means we perform the group of the same values from the attribute column 1 and column 2 according to the syntax order by column 1 and column 2. We may also perform the sorting method like that. One more thing you should have to understand, group by class will be used after the where class which should be followed by the order by class. In some databases, order by class may be used by default when user use the group by class. Here we let's the customer table. Here the all attributes contains the atomic values. It means they are the 7 groups in each attributes. Nothing is the same value here. This is the table. Now let's the example is like that. If we use select name, this is the attribute, some bracket salary, this is the aggregate function. It means the total salary of a group. If group contains more than one values having the same name, so the sum of the salary provides the total salary of a group. From customers, group by name, it means the group is created according to the same names. If any attributes have the same names, they create a group. But in the example, the name has the 7 values and 7 values has the atomic values. So the group is 7. Nothing to value have the similar attributes. It's okay. So this is the perform like that, because I am saying is that the name will be is the ascending order. I have told in this some database the order by class has been by default used after the group by class. So it performs the ascending order name, and some of the salary is like that as the previous. But now in this table, customer table, the name contains the 7 tuples. The ID of 1 and 2 have the same values of name. It means Ramesh 2 times. It creates the one group. Kaushik the 2 times. So it creates the second group. Hardik, Komal and Mufi, it is the atomic value. It contains the excluding group. The how many group in this name? There are the 5 groups only. 7 tuples, 5 groups. So we will perform the next example like in such a case. Select names some salary from customer, group by name. It means group contains the 5 group. Group contains the 5 group, and some salary perform the total salary according to the group, which will be shows like that. Here name shows the ascending order. Hardik, Kaushik, Komal, Mufi, Ramesh, and Hardik, Kaushik, Komal, Mufi, Ramesh, and have the sum of the salaries according to the groups. This is the output of this thing. I hope you have understand like that. In further part, we will see the next command. Thank you too much.